The spectacular display of the male red-winged blackbird is among the first bursts of color and sound to brighten the spring landscape in the northeastern United States. Brilliant red and yellow epaulets flash as they fly through fields, pastures, and their favored habitat, wetlands. Males begin these flamboyant displays weeks before female redwings return from southern wintering grounds. This display by the male in the foreground is directed at the male in the background, a strong signal of territorial ownership. Resources at stake include food, tall ground cover in which to nest, and water for drinking and bathing. The quality of habitat held has as much or more to do with the health of the offspring as do the genes of the parents. This helps explain why males use so much energy to maintain prime territory. Females are as interested in the terrain a male holds as they are in what he looks and sounds like. A male successfully defending a good spot may mate with up to 15 females in a season. Female redwings appear very different from males and are easily mistaken for another species, blending beautifully into the territory that they've selected. They forage constantly as the breeding season progresses. These are capable and versatile predators, combing the habitat for small arthropods and other minute animal prey, high-protein food to support egg production and growing young. Nests are well hidden, keeping vulnerable chicks concealed until fledging. Chicks remain dependent on the parents for up to 5 weeks after leaving the nest. When not on territories, these highly social animals forage and roost in large flocks. Males hide their dazzling epaulets when in groups, so as not to provoke their flock mates. But throughout the breeding season, red-winged blackbirds display in full glory. A loud, colorful announcement to keep off their turf.